Good morning, children. Welcome back. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today, we are going to discuss our second lesson, uses of a computer. Okay, in this class, we will discuss our exercise part. Please listen the class carefully. Okay, children. First part, answer the following questions. This first part we already completed. Answer the following questions. Now see the second parts. Write T for true and F for false statements. Okay, please listen. True or false statements. First one, we cannot draw pictures on a computer. This statement is wrong. So please write false. Second B, computers cannot do basic calculations. This is also false. You can write there false. Second also false. And third is computers can be used to listen music. This answer is true. Write there true. And D, computers are used in banks. This one also true. And E, we cannot watch movies on a computer. This is also statement false. So again, first A, we cannot draw we cannot draw pictures on a computer. Statement is false. We can draw pictures on a computer. And B, computers cannot do basic calculation. This statement is wrong. So you can write there false. And C, computers can be used to listen to music. Statement is correct. You can write true. Computers are used in banks. True. Computers are used in banks is correct. And we cannot watch movies on a computer. This is also false statement. And fill in the blanks. Third part, fill in the blanks. Answers are there in the box. You can note down the answer in the box. Okay. So first one, A, computer can solve dash very quickly. What is the answer? Computer can solve dash very quickly. Answer is sums. Note down. Answer is S-U-M-S. Sums. S-U-M-S. Sums. Answer you can write here S-U-M-S. Sums. B, jumbled words are there. Dash can be made on a computer. Answer is G start. G dash E T I. Answer is greeting cards. Greeting cards can be made on a computer. C, computers can be used to play dash. Answer is games. G-A-M-E-S. Games. D, we can watch dash on a computer. Answer is movies. M-O-V-I-E-S. Movies. And E, computers can be also be used to listen to dash. Answer fifth one is music. M-U-S-I-C. Music. Got it? Now this is just activity only, that computer that can perform a computer. Swimming wrong. Listen to music right. Solving sum. Okay children, up to this fill in the blanks. You can revise, learn it. Today's class over. And take care. Stay at home. Thank you and have a nice day.